guys, this is Pranay and you're watching Technomaster. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna review a budget true wireless earpods from Petron called Petron Basebuds. So guys, before starting this video, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then guys click that subscribe button and then press the bell notification icon so that you guys will be get notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, let's start this video with the unboxing of this product.
So guys, here is the box pack of Petron Basebuds True Wireless Stereo Earbuds written over here. So you can see the image of the buds. So at the left side you have got Petron branding and Basebuds written with True Wireless Stereo Earbuds, and right side also same. Now at the bottom nothing, and at the top you have got the barcode, and now at the back side you have got the specifications with the Petron branding. So you have 1 year of warranty, you have got 10 meter of transmission range, 10 mm driver size, and 50 mAh buds battery, and 400 mAh charging case battery, and etc. You have got black, white, blue, green color options. So without wasting any more time, let's open this box. So guys, here we have the case and these are the buds. So okay, let me just put this case out. Comes out, and inside the box we have this USB charging cable and some extra ear tips. So, and we have got this instruction manual, so you can read this if you want. So let me just put this box aside now. So as here are the buds. Good, you have got a ring like structure. So this is the button you can push to end up or play and pause the music. Here are the LED indicators, as you can see. So now let me just have a look at the charging case. So you have got the Petron branding in the front, you have got the charging percentage indicator LEDs, and at the bottom we have got some informations like 50 mAh battery, 400 mAh case battery, and at the back side we have got the micro USB charging port. And so let me just open this case. Yeah, it comes out. So we have got the charging slot and it is magnetic, so you can put these buds into this. So you have to push this button to start charging. So as you can see, charging is started. You have got full battery in the case and buds is charging. So guys, I think quality of this lid of this case is not good. It is made of really thin plastic, but overall build of the case is good, but this lid can break out anytime. If you put a slightly more pressure on it, it can break out easily. So let's look at the sound quality of this buds.
So guys, I have tried several songs on these buds and also attended some calls. So here's my conclusion for you. But before that, let me tell you the price of these buds. I have got it from Amazon for 899 Indian rupees. So let's start this with the call quality. So call quality on these buds were really good. Other party was able to hear clearly, but whenever any vehicle passes away, it captures the vehicle sound first. So there was a little bit of noise So now let's jump to the audio quality. So what about the music? So I have played several songs on it, and I think bass is really good for the price, and also treble was good. I think volume is a little bit lesser, but that's not really big deal. So I think for 899 these buds are really good. You cannot get better than this in the market for 899. So I think you can go with this buds blindly. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, guys, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe to this channel, guys, so that you can get more videos like this. So thank you.